Hello everyone. Today I am multiple technician or electrician as you may call it. Today I want to teach you about heat, ventilation and air condition. In my previous video, I highlight a little about how to lead the realization of 3-bedroom apartment with heat, ventilation, air condition. That is normally called VMUCI here in Italy. Now, as you can see, this realization comprises of heat, ventilation, air condition, central heat, ventilation, air condition, and it's controlled by central thermic downstairs, because here we have 6-floor apartment here, and each apartment will contain central heat, ventilation and air condition. In terms of after the work of plumbing, here we have the realization of domotica in terms of electric, whereby everything will be controlled automatic, be it the changeover, the pulsant, that is the automatic switches and automatic command, and the lights and curtain will also controlled by automatic. As you can see here, I want to reflect the importance of this new technology in terms of European laws that guide building. Now here we have every zone, because here we have 1, 2 and 3 rooms, and each zone, each rooms, we have his or her heat, ventilation control, that controlled by atmosphere. When the weather is too hot or too cold, the central thermic will be controlled by the temperature outside, that will communicate with the temperature inside, how the inside will change its state, and the whole flat will start cooling or will start heating. So my idea I want to show you here is that here in leading this design, you will find out that this design comprises both automatic, electric, that is called domotic, and VMUCI, that is the heat, ventilation, air condition. I thank you for watching.